Meal porridge. A main dish from Burundi. Serves 4. You will need 3 ingredients. Step 1. Heat water in saucepan. While water is being heated, mix half of the cornmeal with milk in jug until it forms a smooth paste. Step 2. Carefully add the mixture to the boiling water and stir. Gradually add the remaining cornmeal and allow to cook for another 3 to 4 minutes, stirring constantly. Step 3. Remove it from saucepan and put into large bowl. You may shape it into a large ball by hand before serving. Step 4. Serve with meat or fish stew. Country reports, culture, countries, travel.